Here we're going to talk a little bit about heterocycles. So what this means, the hetero part means an atom other than carbon and hydrogen. And then, of course, the cycle part means we're dealing with a cyclic system. So our most common heterocyclic molecules are going to be things that have an oxygen, nitrogen, or sulfur in a ring. And the reason this ties in with the amines is because there are a lot of nitrogen heterocycles. So let's take a look at a couple of those first. Here are 4 common nitrogen-containing heterocycles. The first 2 are actually considered aromatic molecules. We have one with a 6-membered ring and a 5-membered ring. And we have double bonds throughout the ring. This first one is something we've seen before. This one is pyridine. Second one is pyrrole. And then we also have variations without the double bonds. The 6-membered ring without double bonds is piperidine. And the 5-membered ring containing a nitrogen is pyrrolidine. We also have a really common oxygen-containing heterocycle. A 5-membered ring with double bonds, this is called furan. And without the double bonds, you can effectively think of it as adding 4 hydrogen across this, which makes it tetrahydrofuran. Also known as THF. And this is a really common solvent used in organic chemistry. One place where we see heterocycles, specifically nitrogen-containing heterocycles, are in the bases that make up the DNA and RNA nucleotides. So let's take a look at those. So we have 2 types of DNA and RNA bases. We have the purine class and the pyrimidine class. The purine class contains this fused 6- and 5-membered ring. The pyrimidine contains a 6-membered ring with 2 nitrogens. And these bases, again, we know that nitrogen has lone pair, so that lone pair on nitrogen makes it basic. That's why they're called bases. These bases are used in the makeup of DNA and RNA. So we have adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, and thymine. And we're going to look at the structure of DNA and RNA nucleotides here next. We're going to see where these bases fit. Now I do want to note that you do not need to know these structures.